Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
It's raining in the playground. But look, the clouds are going away. The rain has stopped. It's left some muddy puddles behind. The 4 little cars have come to play at the playground. The blue and yellow cars are playing on the swings. The red and green cars are jumping on the bouncy castle. The police car's leaving the helper car's garage. He has to patrol the town and also keep an eye on the little ones at the playground. The little cars are driving through the tunnel. Now they've decided to ride down the slide. The green car is going up. And the red car is too. Oh no, there's a huge puddle at the bottom. The green cars decided not to go down. Oh, but the red car has pushed him. You must never do that. The police car is blowing on his whistle because somebody's behaving very badly. The helper cars are coming to the rescue. The water truck, the excavator with a clamp, and the forklift truck. How quickly they've arrived. Green car, first let's clean you. The excavator's grabbed a sponge and is cleaning the green car. The water truck is washing off the suds. The green car has a big scratch. We'll have to paint over it. The forklift is driving to the repair shop for paint. Wow! There are a whole 4 colors. Let's place all the tins of paint on the ground. Blue, green, red, and yellow. And here's a hairdryer, so the car's paint will dry more quickly, and he can go and play. The green cars jumped right into the can. We're turning on the hairdryer. The car is drying. So, what are you planning to do? Do you also want to jump into a can? Now everyone is green. The whistle again. You shouldn't play with paint. Let's go get clean. The cars have been cleaned, but one's run off. Stop! You've also got to be cleaned. There are 2 green cars. We'll wash them now to find out which one is really green. Everything's in order. Everyone is neat and clean again. Thank you, helper cars. The big cars are returning to their garage. Thank you for your help. Until next time.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The dump truck has brought some big blocks to the playground. The construction vehicles are going to build a new slide. Oh, one block is rolled under the trampoline. The excavator is here now. He's using his grapple to put the blocks in place. Kitten, there's a red and white tape in front of you. Crossing it could be dangerous. That's very dangerous. There are lots of vehicles working on the playground. Should you really be playing when there's building going on there? Oh, the kitten has had a fall and hurt her paw. It really hurts. She can't walk. It's a good thing the puppy heard the cat. The puppy is being very careful as he goes through the tape. Kitten, let us have a look at your paw. It's swollen. We need to put some ice on it. The ice cream van probably has some ice. The van has driven up to the playground. Here's some ice, Kitten. Put your paw in it. The puppy has run off to the helper car's garage. Which of them could help the kitten? The ambulance is coming out of the yellow door. Ambulance, we need to take the kitten to the hospital. Look, the ambulance is driving very quickly. Everyone is letting it pass. The ambulance can even go through traffic lights when they're on red. Here is the patient. Get it on the stretcher. That won't work. The cat's paw still hurts. The excavator is going to build a ramp. The stretcher is coming down. It's much easier for the cat to get on the ambulance now, since she doesn't have to step on her injured paw. How is the puppy going to get to the hospital, though? In the taxi. To get to the hospital, we've got to turn left. The sign with the red cross tells us that. Thank you, taxi. Oh my! The kitten is already coming out of the hospital. They've bandaged her paw. Now she can walk by herself.
Cars, 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 cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Out of the helper car's garage comes the ambulance. On top of his cabin, there are flashing lights. On the side, there's a red cross. Behind, he's got doors, and inside, there's a first aid kit with medicines. Here's another ambulance. Oh, this other ambulance is missing one flashing light. Go back into the garage and have a look for the other flashing light there. That's better. Now you can answer an emergency call. A kennel. And inside, someone's coughing. It's a puppy. The little puppy has a sore throat, and he needs help quickly. Shall we see what the ambulance has in his trunk? That's right, a first aid kit for pets. And inside, there's some cough mixture just for dogs. Let's pour out 1 spoonful and give it to the puppy. There's a good boy. Now you'll feel better in no time. Thank you, ambulance. Goodbye. The blue ambulance is answering another emergency call. A traffic jam. The ambulance has turned on his siren. Everyone is getting out of his way. I wonder where he's off to so fast. It's a kitten. She's got an itch behind her ear. It's itching again. Look, kitten, the ambulance has arrived. Are you using it to give yourself a scratch? Let's look for some special cat ointment for you. Jump in the trunk. Open the pot. Take out some ointment with your paw and rub it into the place where it itches. That's enough. Now the kitten is better. Thank you, ambulance. The ambulances are all returning to the garage. They'll have a rest before answering another emergency call.
Cars, 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 cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Out of the garage comes the fire truck. Look at its ladder. It's all rusty. The truck needs to go to the repair shop. Can you see the repair shop sign? It's on the right. It's got a blue wrench on it. The fire engine is turning to the right. And here is the repair shop itself. The door is opening. In you go. The fire engine has come for an inspection. Let's check the wheels. They're turning side to side and round and round. And on the other side, also fine. The wheels are all in order. The flashing lights are blinking. The compartment door opens. The water cannon is in place. The mirror is dirty. Let's wash it. Oh no, the ladder isn't working. It's barely turning. And it won't extend. Car mechanic. We need to lubricate the ladder with machine oil. The mechanic's robot arm is taking the oil and lubricating the ladder. Let's check. A bit more. A bit more. And now it goes up. And down. The ladder even extends. Thanks for your help. The fire truck has passed the inspection and can go off to work. Who needs help?
Urgent call. The fire truck is needed at the fun fair. A puppy has got stuck on the Ferris wheel.
The fire truck is coming as fast as it can. And here's the puppy. It can't get down. The Ferris wheel is broken. The fire truck is raising its ladder. Jump on, puppy. You're safe now. You can have another go when they've repaired the Ferris wheel. Out of the garage come the pickup and the crane. The pickup has a gear wheel in its container. The helper cars are going to repair the fun fair ride. You're in position. Crane, get out the new gear wheel. Attach it to the motor. The Ferris wheel is working again. Great work, helper cars.